Hey everybody, wanted to share a breakthrough I had with this NEC VE281X projector. These have a non-user replaceable lamp inside. It's just a NP18LP with the base removed and just installed. There's a link to a video on replacing one in the description here. But the one thing I didn't have was how to reset the lamp timer. Nobody has it. Normally you reset it through the menu, or with NEC a lot you hold down the help button on the remote for 10 seconds and that does it. In this case, that's not true. This actually has to be put in a service mode to do it, which, a little convoluted in my opinion, but I don't run NEC, so, whatever. So what you need to do, it's pretty straightforward actually. We are going to hold down a set of buttons on the remote to reset it. What we're going to do, make sure we're pointing the remote at the projector, and we are going to hold down help, there we go, help, and then enter for 3 seconds each, 6 times. So before I do it, it's going to be 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. And then we hit menu, and we should get, also for 3 seconds, and we should get a screen asking for a passcode. And then the passcode is up, right, left, right, 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 up, up, enter. And then we press menu, and that should show service. So let's try it. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. And there we go. There's the enter passcode. So the passcode again is up, right, left, right, 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 up, up, enter. Now if I press menu, see service right there? That means we're in service mode. And we use the arrow keys. We go down to reset. We can reset all data, but we want to reset the lamp, and that's that little light bulb icon. So we go to that, we hit enter, and then it asks us to confirm, because they don't want you to reset these before, or reset them without changing them, which is a good idea. If these explode, they will damage your projector. So pay attention to the timers. And all you have to do is you press enter, and now it's reset. So if we go to the info screen, lamp hours used, 0. And that used to say 48:45 before I reset it. So that was the first lamp that I changed out. So that's all there is to it. All there is to it. And if you want, I'll help you out here. Pause your screen and save that. These are the instructions for expert mode, which is kind of cool. You can see the different stuff you can do, and then service mode. So feel free to save that for yourself, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe. Be kind of cool. And as always, thank you for watching.